Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome back to the channel. I've seen the question come up from time to time, why does the mid-engine on my BMW i8 start sometimes when I start the car? Well, there's a reason for that. If you let the car sit for a few days or up to a week, sometimes it will start the mid-engine when you hit that start-stop button. And the reason for that is to ensure that the oils and lubrication and the seals stay really supple in that engine. So it's a mandatory thing that engine does need to start from time to time. So I have my BMW i8 sitting here in my garage for the past week, and the reason for that is because I've been doing a ceramic coating on my wheels. So after this past week, I just now lowered the car off of the quick jacks, and I'm going to go ahead and start the car, and you'll hear as soon as I start it up, that mid-engine's going to kick in. You can't miss the sound of that mid-engine. And if you hear it's a little bit louder than stock because I modified the valve to stay open all the time on this BMW i8 exhaust. Listen. So that's why your BMW i8 mid-engine will start from time to time, because you had the car sitting and it needs to lubricate itself and keep itself running in top condition. Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, ring that bell for notifications, and be sure to visit the channel again because I'll be posting BMW i8 content often. Thanks for watching, and happy motoring.